Hi everyone, my name is Régis. I'm the bar manager of the Secret 8 cocktail bar in the Boulevard Paris. So now I will introduce the 250 Shades of James cocktail recipe. This cocktail is made with 50 ml of brown agricole rum from La Martinique, 10 ml of ginger syrup, 20 ml of blackcurrant biologic flower water, 20 ml of pineapple juice, and 10 ml of fresh lemon juice. First, in a shaker, pour all the ingredients. Then add some ice and shake it for like 6-7 seconds. Then pour the liquid in a tumbler glass filled with ice and decorate with a dry pineapple slice. This cocktail is very special for me because with this cocktail I won the Bartender Society cocktail competition last year in Paris. For the story and just to explain quickly this competition, we were 30 bartenders in the competition with 4 steps. So I was very lucky to win this cocktail competition. You will find this recipe in the cocktail books called Rhum, recettes, chics et faciles pour tous les amoureux du rhum at the Tana editions. I wrote these cocktail books with my friend Laurence Marot. So I will hope you enjoy this cocktail and don't forget to drink with a lid. So thanks and see you around.